What's up, Glam Dolls and Glam Dudes? Guess what? Your girl is back with another video.
Nobody ever made me feel this way. I'm gonna stick with you. Chance that you plan for the next whole week. Plans too over, but it's so cheap and your flex so D and your sex so D.
Okay, guys, so in today's video, we're gonna get into this look, get into it. I'm gonna go in with that milk moisturizer and I'm gonna moisturize the face. Look, it's ugly. So guys, I'm going into that black in the crayon case box of crayons just to bring in some dark deep color. I'm also going to blend out the edges of it because this black is heavy pigment. So you just need a little, honestly. I brought this one out a little further, so I'm gonna have to go in with the black to try to cover that part up. Now we're gonna go in with the mascara from Essence. Last but not least, guys, we're gonna move into these lips. We're gonna use the crayon case gumbo and the clean kisses from the crayon case. We're gonna put those two together. Also, we're gonna use Pretty Perk 30 once again for the lash, only because I did a double liner and I don't want the lashes to overpower the liner. So that's what we're gonna do. Moving into that, let's get it. Get into it right quick. So guys, this is what I want to talk about today. We're going to talk about this look real quick. So this look was inspired by the emoji makeup trend that's going on TikTok. But this emoji basically stood out most to me. And these were our school colors. The gold, the black, the white, all that just went hand in hand. And guess what? Class of 2014, if you graduated, class of 2014, you were bomb is no matter where you were. The class of 2014 at Xavier Prep here in New Orleans, y'all already know, guess what? We on a map, babe. We did this. But anywho, these are our school colors. Proud Preppers. Green is a significant color to me because I had to wear it on my sweater, my blazer, everything at prep. I had to wear it from 7 to 12. I mean, who's not going to come to love that color? That color is bomb. I would never ever forget that color. Like, I would never ever forget my class. But anyway, we were 60 till the end. Our class went through almost everything together. The ups, the downs, ins, the outs. If you went to prep, you know that we were like a big family. Each classification mainly had, you know, their groups, their this, their that. We had our groups, don't get me wrong, but we also stood together as one family, our whole class. One got in trouble for something, whole class going down. Like, we took that. So that's just a quick, you know, rundown of, I'm really in love with how it came out. From the black to the white liner, the outline of it, it's just bomb. I really underestimated this look. When I first did this look, I hated it. I might insert that clip. I told you all how I hated it and everything. So if you all don't see that clip, I'm just letting you know that I told y'all that I did not like it. Come to find out, baby, I shook this look. I did this look, and that's on period. Okay, glam dolls and glam dudes, I think this is gonna be the end.
The situation's getting critical.
Okay guys, that's gonna be all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Duh! Bye!